Namaste everyone. Many of you requested a video on Kunjal Kriya, so today I am sharing the correct and safe method step by step. Before that, I want to say Vamana Dhoti and Kunjal Kriya are essentially the same practice, but the names come from different origins. Vamana means vomiting or expelling. Dhoti means cleansing. So Vamana Dhoti literally means cleansing of the stomach by expelling water. This is the classical yogic name mentioned in Hatha Yoga text. And the meaning of Kunjal Kriya. Kunjal is derived from Sanskrit word Kunjara, which means elephants. Elephants naturally drink a lot of water and then release it from their trunk to clean themselves. Because the yogi drink water and expels it out to cleanse the stomach, just like an elephant. This practice became popularly known as Kunjal Kriya. This practice do not be performed by people suffering from hernia, high blood pressure, stroke, heart disease, acute peptic ulcer, or by diabetic with eye problems. They are not recommended during pregnancy.
Prefer about 1 liter of lukewarm water per person. Plain water may be used on the advice of a competent teacher. Salt water, however, dissolves mucus and also inhibits the secretion of acid in the stomach, making it generally preferable and a must for those suffering from excess mucus and hyperacidity. The biggest obstacle to these techniques is the mental block which people have towards the idea of vomiting. Some people are unable to bring up the water at first. The water in the stomach will then simply pass through the system in the normal way. The expelled water might be discolored, especially on the first few attempts. This can be caused by fermented food particles, bile, or mucus from the stomach. When the stomach is completely clean, the water will become clear. The best time to perform Kunjal Kriya is in the early morning on an empty stomach. It is essential that no food be taken before the practice. Kunjal may be performed once a week unless otherwise directed by a competent teacher. Wash the hands and make sure the nails are carefully trimmed.
नेल कटा क्या नेल कटा नेल कटा मिला दिया तो दे
Adding 1 teaspoon of salt for later according to taste.
सीखो यार.
Stand near a sink or in a suitable place outside in the garden or near an open drain. Drink at least 6 glasses of the prepared water, one after the other, as quickly as possible until the stomach cannot hold anymore. It is most important to drink fast and not just sip the water. When the stomach is full, the urge to vomit will occur automatically. Lean forward, keeping the trunk as horizontal as possible. Open the mouth and place the middle and index fingers of the right hands as far back on the tongue as possible. Gently rub and press the back of the tongue. This should induce the water to gush out from the stomach. If there is no expulsion of water, it means the tips of the fingers are not far enough down the throat or that the tongue is not being pressed. During the expulsion of water, the fingers may be removed from the mouth, although this is not necessary. When the flow of water ceases, again place the fingers in the mouth and repeat the process. Continue in this way until the stomach is empty. When the vomiting reflex ceases to bring up any water, stop the technique as it is a sure sign that the stomach is empty. These techniques remove some of the stomach lining, leaving it temporarily vulnerable. For this reason, it is advised to eat a light meal half an hour after completion of the practice. Kunjal Kriya is a powerful cleansing practice, but it must be done carefully. If you are a beginner, please learn it under proper guidance. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Yes.